120 k an hour, which is what, 75 miles per hour. So that's how my new muffler sounds. Definitely louder than the previous cross-flow muffler, but I also noticed an increase in acceleration, probably because we switched from 2.5 inch outlet pipe to 2.25, and smaller pipe increases the low end torque, so the car picks up speed faster now at in lower gears. And this is when I brake, so I just release the gas, and that's how it sounds when I use engine brake, basically.